Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to create basic formula in MS Excel. Before that, we should have knowledge of formula. So, what is a formula? Formula is used to perform calculation, like you would have learned formula to calculate area and perimeter of a square. By using formula, we can calculate the value. Formulas are user defined instructions. It means user can write its own formula for any calculation. Now, when we talk about functions, these are predefined inbuilt formulas that come with Excel. For example, Excel has some functions which calculate total of all the values. Similarly, there are other functions which we are going to study in our next video. As we are going to use MS Excel software, so first we will learn how to open MS Excel window. Click on Start button, then click on All Programs. You will find a Microsoft Office folder. Open the folder by clicking on it. Then you will get the option of Microsoft Excel. Click on the option and Microsoft Excel window will be opened. Now I will explain elements of formula using this example and MS Excel software. Elements means parts of formula. The example which I am taking is equals to A2 plus B2 into 5 minus sum parenthesis starts E3 colon E5 parenthesis and. First part is equals to symbol. We need to remember that every formula should start with equals to symbol. If we will not use equal to symbol in the beginning of a formula, then it will not work. I am going to show you this. If I have typed 5 in cell A1 and 6 in cell B1, now I will type a formula equals to A1 plus B1 in cell C1. Then press enter key. You can see the result is displayed. Now I am going to edit this formula. Double click on the cell. You will see a cursor in the cell. Bring the cursor in the beginning and press delete key. Equals to sign is deleted now. Now press enter key. See the result of the formula is not displayed as we have not placed equal to sign in the beginning. Next element is cell address, which can be used in a formula. Now, what is a cell address? These rectangular boxes are called cells and each cell has an address called cell address. How can we find cell address for a cell? First method is click on cell and check name box. This box is called name box. It displays address of selected cell. We can see address of this cell is C3. We can also find cell address by writing corresponding column name followed by its row number. Like you can see, this column is in C column and row number is 6. So cell address will be C6. 5 and 6 are cell values and A1 and B1 are cell addresses. You can see I have used cell addresses in the formula. I can also use cell values in a formula for calculation. Now what will be the difference when I use cell values and if I use cell address? I am typing same values in next row 5 and 6 and using cell values in a formula. In C2, I am typing equals to 5 plus 6 instead of equals to A2 plus B2. Press enter key. See the result is same 11. But if you are going to change the value in B1 and B2 to 7, you will notice that result is updated automatically where I used cell address. And in case of cell values, it is not updated. So that's why we should use cell addresses for calculation. Next element is mathematical operators. Plus, minus, multiply, divide, these all are mathematical operators. Next is constant. Numbers like 5, 100 are constant. Such numbers have fixed values. These values do not change. That's why these are called constants. Next element is function. So we can use function in a formula. Here some function is used. It will calculate total of all the values. We can see syntax of function is first we have to write its name. Then inside parenthesis we will define the range of the cells. Now what is range of cells? Range of cells means group of cells within a row or a column. So in this example we can see E3 colon E5. It means E3 to E5. Colon here means 2. तो E3 से लेके E5 तक सेल्स में जो वैल्यूज़ है सम फंक्शन इनका टोटल करके रिजल्ट देगा. However, we are going to discuss functions later on in detail. I hope you have understood all the elements that can be used in a formula. Next topic is how to create a basic formula. Basic formula is the formula which involves only one operator. The example of formula which we have seen was not basic formula as it was having 3 operators in it. Let's create a basic formula. If I want to calculate sum of numbers in cell B2 to B7 and display the sum in B8, then I will enter the formula in B8. For typing the formula, first type equals to sign, then select the cell B2, then type plus symbol, select B3 and again type plus symbol, then select B4 cell and repeat the process up to cell B7. You will notice different colored borders appearing around these cells. Press enter key. Cell B8 will display the total of all the values from B2 to B7. So we have to type the formula in the cell where we want result to be displayed, and we will include those cell addresses जिनकी values का total होना है. So in this way we can create a basic formula. I hope you would have understood how to create a basic formula in MS Excel. Thank you for watching my video.